It's Abuti and Sisi.
Sawubona Sisi.
Sawubona Abuti.
Say hello to the children.
Sanibona bantwana.
Let's learn some new words. Can you tell me what the word is for hospital in isiZulu?
Isibhedlela.
That's right, isibedlela. And what is the word for store in isiZulu?
Isitolo.
That's right, isitolo. Now what is the word for school in isiZulu?
Isikole.
Very good, isikole. And can you tell me what the word is for church in isiZulu?
Isonto.
That's right, isonto. And what is the word for house in isiZulu?
Indlu.
Very good, indlu. So, we have isibedlela, isitolo, isikole, isonto, and indlu. And now you can use these words to build sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, Sisi. See you next time.
Salani kahle.